Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. I have been sheared. I feel human. It was at least 2 to 3 weeks overdue. I was shaggy. Don't like it. And I had to find a new barber. My barber retired. Family ran business. Technically, it's actually called the Family Barber. Sally retired. She's in her 80s. So I found a new barber. His name is Dano of Dano's Barbershop over here on Lincoln. Great guy, great shop, clean. Everybody's friendly. Good job. Love the haircut. Nice. All right. Last night, I prepared chicken and dumplings. If you've seen the pictures, oops, I don't know what happened. Rob and I are still trying to figure this out. For those of you who haven't seen the pictures, the chicken portion, or what I call the soup portion, thickened. I mean, thickened. We have a few ideas. We're not really sure. Still working on it. But it was yummy. We have leftovers, which are not going to happen tonight. Robin has to go to Oakland tomorrow, so we're kind of preserving the leftover chicken and dumplings for tomorrow. So tonight, I'm kind of taking it easy, actually going to another childhood favorite that my mom used to cook. I did some research and found a couple different recipes. It's city chicken. Not really commonly, at least as far as I can tell, not common out here in California, but it is a Midwest, East Coast thing. It's pork that's basically breaded. It's put on skewers. It's, I guess, simulate a chicken leg. It's very yummy. So let's get to it. There's the skewers. There's the pork. We're using regular breadcrumbs. There's a couple eggs, some chicken stock, and so we're doing some cumin, onion powder, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. I might kick this up a couple more notches. It was one of my favorites. Salt, pepper. Again, I'm cheating. Like, this is a super simple gratin in the box and canned green beans. So I'm actually combining 2 different recipes, one on a tablet, one on paper. So yeah, so it's a simple meal, but I get to be a little bit creative with the herb and spices. We'll see what happens. I'm sure whatever I do is going to be yummy. It's just to get it to work for you guys. That means I got to write it down somewhere. So I saw the sun out, which is a great thing. It's kind of like bright. We've been in, at least here in the valley, we've been in under either rain or clouds for the last several days. So it's nice to see the sunshine. So have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.